Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You need to act now. Check for unsaved work and note it because closing may lose entries. Once done, identify the calculator window or process using the taskbar, dock, Alt tab, or the browser tab if it's web-based. If you're on a remote session, make sure local input is active. This initial step prevents data loss and ensures you're targeting the correct instance. Now that you've confirmed what to close, move to the explicit close actions described next. You can close the app using the normal interface. Click the window X or choose File Exit. This preserves normal shutdown. If you prefer keyboard speed, press Alt plus F4 on Windows or Command plus Q on macOS to quit immediately. For web calculators, close the Browser tab. Once you encounter an unresponsive app, open Task Manager or Activity Monitor and terminate the process. Make sure to target the calculator process specifically to, after closing, confirm the calculator is fully terminated. Check Task Manager, Activity Monitor, or Process List so no background instance remains. If it keeps restarting or behaves oddly, restart your computer to clear hung services and consider reinstalling the app. Make sure to back up or export important calculations before closing in the future, and if you see permission or profile errors, run as administrator or create a fresh user profile to isolate settings. One quick troubleshooting tip: reboot before reinstalling.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.